Imagine a new world, effortlessly digitized by an airborne LiDAR system. Today, meet the Zenmuse L1, a payload that combines the powers of both LiDAR and visible light. It enhances the 3D data capture capabilities of drones and enables you to recreate the world. The L1 integrates a Livox Lidar module, a survey-grade camera, and a high-accuracy IMU on a 3-axis gimbal. It has a detection range of up to 450 meters, and the fusion of LiDAR and RGB data produces effective true color, high-density point clouds at the centimeter-accurate level. Infrastructure assets like bridges, power lines, and towers can be modeled precisely by the L1, so you can operate and maintain them safely and efficiently. In heavily foliaged areas, its multi-return capability can penetrate vegetation canopies and capture point cloud data of ground features, as well as bare earth. Extract the vegetation point cloud to acquire information such as tree count, canopy width, and height. The remaining ground surface data can then be used to generate highly accurate digital elevation models for topographic maps. In areas with large changes in elevation, the Terrain Follow feature generates flight paths with variable heights to ensure the consistency of the point cloud data. Nighttime rescue missions in complex terrains have always been difficult. The L1 lets you view point cloud models in real time. Mark points, lines, and areas of interest on the live model to measure and annotate. You can verify fieldwork quality immediately and gain critical insight for on-site decision-making. The Zenmuse L1 forms an integrated solution with the Matrice 300 RTK and DJI Terra. This combo changes the game for the quick creation of true color point clouds and reality models. Upgrade your toolbox with the L1. Recreate your world in vivid 3D.